Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel Ese Can Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pure homemade groundnut oil. It's natural, healthy and perfect for all your cooking needs. So without much ado, let's get into the video right away. For the making of this rich groundnut oil, all you need is just your groundnut, nothing more, nothing less. So the first you want to do now is to start by roasting your groundnut over a medium heat while constantly stirring it from time to time to prevent burning. Roasting the groundnut on the fire helps to bring out natural oils and give the final product a rich flavor. Once they are golden brown and aromatic, let them cool for few minutes. Okay. After roasting the groundnut, the next you want to do is to remove the outer skin. So squeeze the groundnut in between your finger and blow it into the air so that majority of the skin can be out of it. So after that, the next you want to do is to blend your groundnut into a very smooth paste. If you don't have a blender that is as strong as you can imagine, it is best to make use of a local blending machine in your area, which is what I did. They grounded this gold groundnut for me for 500 naira, and after that I take it home and then transfer into a bigger bowl because this bowl will allow me to be able to really stir it very well. All you need is just your stirrer, or you can use your hand because at a point I started using my hand too. Then water wholly, add into it. If it's cold before you start mixing, you will need to be mixing it with hot water because on this very day I did not start mixing it instantly because the distance from where I went to grind it to my house is a bit far, so it was already cold before getting home. So I have to pour some warm water into this and stir continuously so that it will help to push out the whole oil. Continue stirring and add water from time to time. Don't add all your water at once, add little by little in batches. The thicker it gets, the closer to your getting your groundnut oil. It took me about 2 hours for the process to be achieved. Do you know that a popular Nigerian snack, kulikuli, is actually gotten from this process? I was just too lazy after everything to make kulikuli out of fish, and maybe I will do it some other time. So I continue my stirring. You can see this time I have dropped the wooden stirrer and I started using my hand because it was already getting too hard at this point. So continue your stirring, don't be tired, don't be lazy, do it as you ought to. I added water again, okay, because the groundnut oil will float out with the water. The more the groundnut absorbs the water, the more it pushes out the oil. The oil at this point is already coming out, but the stirring still continues. Still continue stirring and add water if need be. Add water in batches, not plenty at a time, okay? This process needs patience and your strength be completely achieved. So once you have done it and you can see that the oil is floating out like this, take your spoon or anything and transfer the oil from the groundnut oil into a plate. So pour out the oil at this point, and when you have extracted them, you can still continue to press again so that you can remove the other ones, okay? To ensure the oil is clear and free of moisture, I poured into this pot and then fried it under low heat for about 10 minutes. This will also help to increase the shell life. It won't make it get spoiled on time. So after that, I remove it from fire and allow it to cool down. After that, you can use a cheesecloth or a fine sieve to sieve out the oil again to remove any extra or any unwanted particle from it so that our oil can be crystal clear and very pure. So there you have it, guys. This is groundnut oil made with special love and care. I hope you'll be trying to replicate this and make your own too at home. So my beautiful people, if you have watched this video with me to this time, thank you very much. You are the real MVP. If you have not liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly do. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can be among the first to get notified each time I drop new videos. Our new videos will be dropping every week, sometimes twice in a week. So until next week when I come again, God bless you and bye.